We got the script we used for the previous challenge. We're just going to rename the script we used for the previous challenge, which is level number 11. So we're just going to rename this to Levelx12.py, and then we can start working on it. So we're just going to run nano to edit the script. So over here, I'm pretty sure we're not working with Morse code anymore, so we can just get rid of all this portion of the script that has to do with Morse code. And we're just going to keep everything that that has to do with contacting the server. So we're trying to solve the exercise over here on level 12. We've got the script for level 11, and well, I guess what we need to do is we need to figure out what we need to achieve on level number 12. So let's go ahead and take a look over here. Oh, it logged me out. Okay, HMV Labs, Temperance, and okay, so this is level number 12. What are we doing? So on this level, it says, in this mission, you will receive a string and a number. You must return the string repeated n number of times. So for example, you get the input, this string over here with 17. That means you need to multiply this string 17 times and then send it back to the server. So how do we do that? Let's figure it out. So back at our code over here, we're just going to send the fact that we're communicating with level number 12, because we need to change the string that we send to the server each time we access a new level. So we're accessing level 12. We need to send level 12 to the server. We're going to receive the challenge from the server, and then we're going to convert the bytes into a string. This is all pretty standard for each one of these challenges. So after this in the script, we're going to comment out everything else. And then we're going to save the script. So save the script and then run the script in another window. So in here, okay, so what do we get from the server? So we receive the banner from the challenge, and then we receive the challenge string. So it's this string right here, and then a number. So what we need to do is we need to grab this string and save it, and then we need to multiply the string by this number over here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn this thing that we received from the server into a list. So I think, how do we do that? So turn into a list. So in the script, we're going to separate the string from the number by turning the pair into a list. Okay, so what is how do we turn a string into a list? I need to look this up every time. Okay, so Python turn string into list. I did this very, very recently. Okay, so list into a list separated by space. Okay, so this is going to be the split method. So we run split on the string, and then we can turn it into a list. All right, let's do that. Okay, so it's going to be list from string. It's going to be, what is it going to be? Data string because the string is this over here. So data string dot split, and we're gonna print a little message. This is the string separated into a list. And we're going to print out that with list from string. Okay, so let's write that out, and then let's run the script. So this is a string separated into a list. Okay, great. Then we're going to take the elements of this list, and we're going to turn them into some separate variables. So what do we do? So this portion of the script is going to separate, turn the elements of the list into variables. Okay, so let's see. So we need to get the string. Let's call this the target string. So target string is going to be list from string element 0. So element 0 is the first thing in the list, which is this right here. And then element number 1 is going to be the number. So target string is going to be that. And then target number, that's going to be the integer of list from string element number 1. And to confirm this, we need to print out some messages. So we're going to print this is the string and we're going to print out target string, and we're also going to print out print this is the number, and then the target number. Okay, let's see if this works. We'll run the script one more time. So this is the string, this is the number. This is the string, this is the number. So this is all working out. So the next thing we need to do is we need to multiply the string by the number, and that's going to be what we need to send back to the server to finish the challenge. So this next part of the script is going to create the multiplied string to send back to the server. Okay, and what do we do here? So I guess we'll just call this multiplied string, so mult string. So the multiplied string is going to be it's going to be target string times target number. So target string times target number, when we multiply strings in Python, we basically get it repeated a number of times. And I'm pretty sure we won't, it also doesn't provide a space in between each one, so that's perfect for what we're looking at. Okay, so create the multiplied string to send back to the server. So mult string is going to be target string times target number, and then we're going to print out a little message. So let's see, print this is the multiplied string. Okay, and then we're going to give it the mult string. Okay, let's write this out. Let's run the script to see if it works. Okay, so we get QBEFK 7, so we need to, is this 7 times? I'm pretty sure this is 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, awesome. All we need to do now is to convert this string back into bytes and then send it back to the server, and then we'll be done. Okay, so this is going to convert the string to bytes. So bytes equals mult string dot encode from UTF-8 to turn it back into bytes. And just to make sure that this goes through correctly, we're going to test this one more time to make sure it converts back into bytes before we finish the challenge. Okay, so this is the multiplied string. Okay, great. And this is the string converted to bytes. Awesome. So all we need to do now is give the code to send the challenge back. So send the challenge back. So print sending challenge and then send bytes. So the bytes, we send it back to the server, and then we're going to receive the flag, receive some data from the server, and then print that data, which should be the flag that we need to complete the challenge. Okay, so let's write this out and then run the script one more time. Awesome, it worked. So what do? We received from the server a string and a number. So and then we converted those bytes into a string, and then we separated that string into two elements. The string that we need to multiply and the number of times we need to multiply it by. So we separated those into some variables, the string and the number, and then we multiplied the string by the number and then printed that out. We converted that into bytes, and then we sent it to the server to get the flag. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab that flag and then submit it to finish the challenge. Submit the flag. You have submitted the flag successfully. Okay, we finished the level. Great. Awesome, awesome. All right, we finished that challenge.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.